Hello and welcome to this another CAD tutorial by Diseño Local. So today I would like to introduce to you the fillet edge command from the edit. So I have here two objects which has fillet edges, no, the box and the cylinder. As you can see, the edge were fillet with a certain radius and ends up like rounded edges. Okay, so let us begin. So as you can see, I have prepared already two objects here, same as the objects at the right. So as you can see, let us try this one, the fillet edge, which rounds and fillet the edges of solid objects. So let us select this one and then uh, select an edge, or you can choose chain, loop, or radius. So I'll just type R for the radius. Since my box is 500 by 500 mm, so I'm gonna input 50 mm, 50 mm for the fillet edge radius. So next thing to do is select the edges. So I'll just select this one and then hit the space bar. So as you can see, the edges were now rounded. Okay, so just if you are going to repeat the command, just hit the space bar. Okay, so let's try to the cylinder. Okay, as you can see, the edges were now fillet. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial. I hope you learned some lesson. Thank you and God bless.